Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the first-class trouble error code 1005. The error reads, network error. As per our research, this error comes when players try to play the game via the Epic Games Store. It prevents the game from connecting properly and throws the network error. According to our research, this error is likely caused by a network issue or a problem with the Epic Games account linking. First, try restarting your device along with the router. Simply turn off your device and unplug your router. Then wait for a few minutes, then restart both and check for the error. If the error still comes, then log out from the Epic Games client. After that, log into your Epic account through a browser and change your password. Once the password is changed, log back into the Epic client and launch the game. It should ask you to link your Epic account again. So complete the process of linking your Epic account and see if the error is resolved. If the error still persists, then try connecting over a different Wi-Fi or a mobile hotspot. Once connected, launch the game and check if the error still comes. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.